Welcome to the C-Suite at the Open Video Series with TMX Group. I'm Arnie Goldstein, Head of Company Services based out of Vancouver. And joining me today is Jerry Z, the Executive Vice President and Corporate Secretary for China Gold International Resources Corp. Hey, Jerry, nice to see you today.
Nice to meet you, Aaron. Thank you very much for having me here.
Oh, it's my pleasure. So Jerry, can you just give me the 50,000-foot view, the overview, or the investment pitch for China Gold?
Well, okay, I will. China Gold International was listed in the TSX and then the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, the dual listing, the mining company. This is the highly integrated company, the mining company, and we have two operations. One is purely gold, one is copper. And it's the long mine life, very big deposit, and actually a relatively reasonable cost level. And we are supported by very strong investors like CNG, like BlackRock, VanEck, all the smart monies. And we're trading quite low the multiples, and we have a very low access for financing, and we have potentials there.
Great. So can you talk to me just about some of the catalysts that are can positively affect China Gold over the next, short and medium term?
Yeah. So before I go to the short term, this was a little bit back to the look at the history. We just took over this company from Robert Freeland. The former name was Jinshan Gold Mine in 2009. So almost in the last 10 years, we increased our expansion, increased our production and the revenues 8 times. And we can looking at the growing, the keep growing for this company. So the catalyst for this company is mainly come from the very strong gold price. You can see that the gold is trading currently is the 1,800, but our cost the level is only 1,100. So also on the copper side, so the copper market is getting stronger, and the copper price is getting stabilizing. So because it's the stronger and stronger demand is there due to the needs of the electric vehicles and the more infrastructures. So for the copper, our cost the level is like $2.2 US dollar per pound, that level. So you can see the margin is there. So that's when the main the catalyst. And we believe especially in the short term, is gold price got to be stronger, even given that so many uncertainties in the so the global the situation, both the political and the economic.
Yeah, there's a little bit of uncertainty going on right now. Did you want to talk about the multiples on EBITDA comparables or comparisons?
Right. So our stock right now is trading around 1 time the EBITDA in terms of the Canadian dollars there, but this much lower than the average level to the market. So the scale, the size of the mid-tier mining company, the trading multiple, the EBITDA is the 5 to 6 times that range. So you can see that very clearly. That's quite low. It's really unmatched again to our capability for that low rate for the financing. Not too many the mining players can do that low the cost of financing. Our trading, the credibility from a Standard & Poor's, which is triple miners, there's not too many gold company with that level credibility as well. So that one is really, we're looking at the higher trading the multiples, because we really, given that fact, we're really trading at that undervalued the gold miners, and also the copper miners as well, for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What kind of idea or final thoughts would you like to leave with existing or potential investors that are watching this video about China Gold?
Yeah, because I would put as all the strengths. We have the long life, the assets, both the gold and the copper, especially the polymetallics. Actually, it's not purely gold. It's the gold mine with the gold as well. So long mine life and keep growing, even better things from this year, from the last few years, and good margin for the return. You can see that the gold market and the potential copper market, and a very strong support from the smart money, the big the cornerstone like investors, the CNG, BlackRock, and so on. And we're undervalued, and we have a low the rate for the very low the cost for the financing. And it's the very good leverage and tool to invest this company than to other investment tools with that undervalued. So put everything together, that's good opportunity for the investors' return.
So established miner, great credit rating, easy access to capital, low multiples, and a great leverage to both copper and gold. Sounds like a great story.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining me, Jerry.
Thank you.